This is the cell wall which will be formed after lamella. So just recollect the first cell wall picture I showed. Blue color one is the middle lamellum. So far we discussed about this. And under the middle lamellum means below the middle lamellum, primary cell wall will be formed, the yellow color one. Okay. If you take this blue color one as the middle lamellum, inside to middle lamellum will have the primary cell wall. This part. Okay. Now, coming to the primary cell wall, the primary cell wall will be developed by a process called intersuspension. Intersuspension. What does it mean by this word terminology? If you observe what we are saying that we'll have middle lamellum like this. Okay. After middle lamellum is formed, inside the middle lamellum we'll have the primary cell wall like this. Means what? Once a material is formed, inside that material, expansion of that material is happening. Got my point? Okay. So what is happening? Middle lamella once formed around a cell. After then we'll have another wall formation called primary wall. This is nothing but intersuspension. Okay. So intersuspension means formation of a material, formation of a new wall. After once already a middle lamellum is formed. Okay. So here if you clearly observe the next slide, you'll get an idea how the middle lamellum and primary wall are getting formed. Okay, see, this is how the primary wall and the secondary cell wall happens to grow. See, the blue one, middle lamella. Okay, now under the middle lamella, once the middle lamella is formed, then various components of primary cell wall gets deposited like this, which we called as intersuspension. Intersuspension. Okay?
Ma'am, I can get the
Intersuspension is nothing but once a material or a layer is formed, inside that you will find expansion of growth like this. So this is middle lamellum and you will get primary wall like this. It is intersuspension. Intersuspension means formation of a new material by expansion of already present material. Got it?
okay.
Already present material is the middle lamellum, students. Here it is already developed middle lamellum during cell division, blue color line. So already there is a material and after that material expansion of the material is happening inside the developed material. Means inside the middle lamellum you will have development of primary cell wall. This process of development of new material from the developed material by expansion. This is nothing but expansion, isn't it? This is the slight line of middle lamellum which got expanded as primary cell wall. So this is all primary cell wall, the pointing thing. Okay? This is all primary cell wall. So this process we called as intersuspension. Hope I am clear with the word intersuspension. So primary cell wall is formed by intersuspension. Okay. So what does mean by intersuspension? Intersuspension is nothing but expansion of already developed material. So this is nothing but the lamella and primary cell wall. This is how after middle lamella formation, the primary cell wall formation occurs by a process called intersuspension. Okay. Now, once the primary cell wall is formed, under the primary cell we will get secondary cell wall formation. So this is the middle lamella, the blue color line. Then primary cell wall is is a pointer primary cell wall which is formed by intersusception growth. Then we'll have secondary cell wall formation. This is. So first formed layer of cell wall is middle lamellum. Okay. Second formed layer is primary cell wall. Then later on we fed the secondary cell wall. Now secondary cell wall formation occurs by accretion growth. Accretion. Here is, this is another new term. Accretion means whatever the material developed above which you will get another material. See, this is middle lamellum. Primary cell wall is formed by expansion. Once the primary cell wall is formed, above the primary cell wall you will have secondary cell wall. This is accretion. Got both the words? Accretion is nothing but we'll have already formed primary cell wall. And above the primary cell wall, we'll get deposits of secondary cell wall. This is accretion. This is not expansion. Expansion is intersusception primary cell wall formation. Accretion is nothing but deposition of extra material. Acceleration, you know the word acceleration, no? Acceleration means what?
Yeah.
Increasing the speed. Yes? Yeah. So the same way accretion is nothing but the increasing the density of primary cell wall. If you observe, there are so many common points between primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. See, the blue color component which you find is nothing but cellulose synthase. Okay. Then you'll have black color material called cellulose fibers. You'll find cellulose fibers in primary cell wall and even secondary cell wall also, the black color ones. Yes? Everybody get the point?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have hemicellulose, which is in green color. That is there in primary cell wall and even in secondary cell wall also, green color lines. Hemicellulose. Okay. And then proteins, the orangish red color molecules, they are there in primary cell wall and even in secondary cell wall also. See, the primary cell wall, secondary cell wall contains so many similarities like the cellulose, hemicellulose, proteins and all. So this indicates that the primary cell wall has been extended as secondary cell wall, which is nothing but accretion. Okay.
Oh, got it now. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts with these two terminology? Intersusception and accretion words.
No, ma'am, I got it.
Anyone wants me to repeat these two terms? Okay. Now, when you get into the previous slide where I showed, you will have middle lamellum first. So this is blue color one is the cell. Okay. First formed wall is the middle lamellum. So that will be outer layer. Then we'll have primary cell wall formation by intersusception. Okay. Then we'll have secondary cell wall by accretion. Okay. So this is how the cell wall of a plant cell looks like. Now come to the chemical composition. As showed in the last slide, we'll have in middle lamella, we said that pectin will be there in the form of calcium and magnesium pectates. Yes, remember? Then in primary cell wall and secondary cell wall, in both we'll have cellulose, hemicellulose and protein molecules. Okay, which makes them soft and elastic. But in secondary cell wall, if you observe, you'll have extra material called lignin. Okay, lignin. This is the material which is an oligopolymer. It's an organic polymer. This polymer will make secondary cell wall very rigid. It's not permeable to into the cell. So this is the cell now, inside cell. This is the first middle lamellum, primary wall, secondary wall. So primary wall is somewhat permeable to components from outside, but secondary wall is not permeable, not give permission to all the molecules to get into the cell, because it is made up of hard material called lignin. So lignin here, you can observe a gray color structures. You'll find only in secondary cell wall, not in primary cell wall. The picture clearly shows that the primary cell wall doesn't have lignin material, but the secondary cell wall does contain lignin material, which makes it hard and rigid when compared to primary cell wall. Okay? Am I clear with that part? Middle lamellum, primary cell wall, secondary cell wall.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts regarding this cell wall structure?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So, can we move on to next slide? Now, after seeing the primary cell wall and secondary cell wall formation and all,